Hello, Scorch the Cat here. So today we'll be doing a little something called Animal Jam. Yes, I do play it. I know this has nothing to do with drawing, but still, I decided to do it. But we'll be discussing a few things today. So, one of them, let's just say, hold on. Let's just say that I am... This might be sad to you guys. It's definitely sad to me. But the snow leopards are going endangered. So, if you wouldn't mind, maybe you guys could buy a snow leopard before they go endangered or something. But, yeah. And then I uploaded a video that, yeah, I almost got hacked by F-Man122. And he's back, guys. He is back. I'm not sure. I wasn't sure if I would open the present or not. So I didn't, obviously, because, I mean, seriously, I can't take my chances. I have so much on this account. I mean, I did. I mean, I have rares, everything, and I have a membership, and I have animals. I have all these animals. Oh my gosh. One of my favorite ones is Mythical Fury Master, because he's just awesome. And then I also watch Doctor Who, so Doctor Future Master. I don't know, guys. I've also been like doing this plushie collection. It's gonna take me a little bit. So there's 1, 2, and then this is where the row starts. It's like all over. Scrolls and scrolls and scrolls. Oh yeah, that's probably it. But my den isn't that awesome, but I try. I really do. Should I do this? I'm not gonna do this. I had to fit so much in that room. In this room. Oh, I can eat the pizza. Okay, what's this? Oh, I accidentally clicked on that. Let's go see if Sepia Force. It's like stuff. Oh, I think I know that guy over here. Lucky Brave Lily or Brave Lily. Brave Lily. Okay. Lucky Brave Lily. I think I know him, but not sure. So, let's just see. I try my best to look cool, but really it doesn't turn out good because I like to... Yeah, something's going on here. I mean, there's a wolf and there's tons of deers. I think this is a herd. They might be making a herd. Oh! Oh, who is that? Awesome spirit paw. Oh, that's cool. Okay, oh. 1, 2, 3. That there's only supposed to be like a couple males. And I swear, if I see a doe with horns, I'm gonna be mad. Seriously, you guys should know by now that does don't have horns. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, something's going on there. We shouldn't get into it. Oh, who's that? Oh. But I have this friend. She's like my stepsister. Oh. Okay. So her name in case if you want to like friend her or something, her name's Gourd10. Don't ask. The Gourd is spelled Goard and then 10, obviously. And numbers. Oh, that's a crow. Okay, do they have any new plants here? Because I don't know. No. Oh, that's a cool. Oh, something. Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that. I never go here. At least not anymore. Do I know this guy? Because I feel like I do. No, it's a new jammer. I shouldn't know that. Okay. Are those rares? Do they already have rares? Okay. Nothing on a trade list. That sucks. I don't like it when people like go to the trading party and have nothing on their trade list. Because it gets me confused. I mean, it's a trading party. You're supposed to have stuff to trade. Like, seriously, dude, you can't just go there to trade. Yeah. Rhino helmet. What? I don't want rares. Like, I do, but I don't. It's weird. Okay, so that's probably it for today. I am Scorch the Dragon. My channel name is Scorch the Cat. Scorch the Dragon is spelled SCOURGE. The Dragon 123. So that's probably it for today. But yeah. So, well, guys, bye.